Let's try not to make a big noise this morning.
Oh, please
like
don't.
we did yesterday. Drive over people's tents and their scuttles and we're off.
We're off on another adventure.
So last night's activities were filled to the brim. We sat there and the animals were going crazy. We had lion, we had hyena,
Possibly wild dog.
what's that?
Zebra.
Yeah, that's the one.
It was zebra.
Zebra. Obviously they did like a semicircle. The lion would go off, then the zebra, and then the hyena later, but it was further on, and so they moved like around the camp like that. And lion obviously trying to get that zebra.
It was really cool to hear.
So cool. Everyone's going straight this one. We're gonna go up to Toshakwani because we heard that lion all night long and it came from this direction. I don't know what people are doing, what they're thinking, but we're going this way to Toshakwani. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Disclaimer note, there may or there may not be lions in this vlog.
The world is full of strange behavior. Every man has to be his own savior. I know I can make it on my own if I try, but I'm searching for a great heart to stand me by underneath the African sky. A great heart to stand me by. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart to hold and keep me by. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart under African skies. Sometimes I feel that you really know me.
In the Kruger, you have all these sighting boards. So today, oh, cheetah spotted north of here, and lion.
So apparently, Mr. Leopard was spotted 1, 2, 3, 4 times yesterday. Come on, wherever you are.
We're gonna go up and then backtrack around here. Try and see if we can see some of the leopard, but I mean, we already didn't see that, so we'll see.
Sometimes there's so much you can show me. There's a highway of stars across the heavens. There's a whispering song of the wind in the grass. There's a rolling thunder across the savannah. A hope and a dream at the edge of the sky. And your life is a story like the wind. Your life is a story like the wind. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart to hold and stand me by. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart under African skies. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart. I see the fire in your eyes.
So here's our little picnic site. There's Kai hard at work. You cracking the eggs, mate?
Yeah, ready to make some scrambled eggs and bacon.
Yum. And some coffee.
Hey!
And in more recent news, monkeys have tried to attack us and to take our food. Little scavengers. They see you that you're there, but they try and take your food anyway. Anyway, it was in that tree over there. And I was like, hey! And I thought I was challenging it, so Kai shooted away with the pot.
Nothing like getting the day started with a cup of coffee. And this gas cooking the bacon, but you know what? Have you ever climbed into a shower and just not been able to regulate the hot and the cold because it's just like either too hot or so cold that you just can't handle? Same with this. You're either burning the bacon or there's no flame at all. Made a bread last night. Got to keep them away from the monkeys. Check.
Literally just try to steal it now.
Please do not feed the wildlife. We would never sacrifice this food. Not for any wildlife.
I see the fire in your eyes. I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart that beats my name inside. Sometimes I feel that you really know me. Sometimes there's so much you could show me.
Hey guys, yeah, it's quite windy now, but we found another one of Kruger's gems, and that's the open dam. It's nicely situated high up on the hill, so you look right down into the ravine, and it's the open river, so the dam falls just a little bit behind. Check this, check. Incredible. I don't know if you could see that. It's quite windy. There was a kudu. It went charging down.
Literally right here.
It was right here. Yeah, but I mean, this view. Unfortunately, the game doesn't really like the wind, but the views, the clouds, the landscape, this vista is just
It's stunning. It's
impeccable.
really breathtaking.
There he goes.
I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart. Who comes in my side I'm searching for the spirit of the great heart. Who comes in my side
Guys,
I'm shaking a little.
we didn't see any lion, but we saw
Better than lion.
we saw 3 cheetahs right by the car. Not 2, not 1, but 3. They went off into the bush, so we're doing a loop around to see if we can see them. Not cut them off. Intersect them. To see if we can find them again.
Actually, I think I wet myself a little. Not one.
decided that we're not taking an afternoon nap today because so many people just see so many things while we're sleeping, napping the day away. So, which way are we going now?
We're gonna go down to Lower Sabi again, but we're going on the eastern side of the Golden Predator Triangle.
Set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. A brand new moon and brand new sun.
Apparently there's a lion around here.
Follow,
Very sweet. You ever see it?
follow the sun.
It's a lion.
Meeting pair,
Oh,
and they are exactly at your 10 o'clock.
okay.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
See that little hill in the back there?
Yeah.
On the edge of the hill, over to us, there's a little tree at the bottom of the hill.
Yes, I see it.
You see that one?
Yeah.
They are right there. You
Oh.
can come up from right there.
Okay.
Cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. A brand new moon, brand new sun. When you feel life coming down on you like a heavy weight. When you feel this crazy society adding to the strain, take a stroll to the nearest water's edge. Remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing? And what does your heart say? Follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done.
So what was your favorite thing and your least favorite thing about South Kruger, Skukuza area and obviously below?
My least favorite would probably be the amount of people.
Yeah,
It's
I
rather
know.
annoying.
Very touristy, very touristy.
But probably my favorite would be the diversity of the landscape.
Yeah.
It is so beautiful. Like you do not know what you're going to get. It's stunning.
I mean, like we went from soaring high mountains, hills, to like plains. Obviously the whole of Kruger changes, but just from what we've seen today, it's incredible. Also, we have had good game sighting, and to see the big five down here in a day is very possible. We weren't able to do it, but it's possible. So yeah, Skukuza camp.
You've been good, thanks.
Yeah, we appreciate you a lot. Especially this time of the year where the schools aren't on leave, so it's just us and the old toppies there. So things are nice and quiet.
Us and the retired people.
That's it. Anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. Stay tuned for the next. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. We hopefully will have a good journey up to Marula next time.